INS Arihant is the lead ship of India's Arihant class of nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines. The 6,000-ton vessel was built under the Advanced Technology Vessel ATV project at the ship building center in the port city of Visakhapatnam. Arihant was launched on the 26th of July 2009, the anniversary of Vijay Diwas Kargil War Victory Day by former Prime Minister of India Dr. Manmohan Singh. As of November 2015, it was still undergoing sea trials and is expected to join the Indian Naval Fleet in February 2016 during the International Fleet Review 2016, constituted in the late 1980s. The main aim of the project was to equip India with a second strike platform capable of launching retaliatory strikes against hostile states. India realized the significance of deterrence during the 1971 Indo-Pakistan War. US, in support of its ally Pakistan, dispatched Task Force 74 led by US Enterprise into the Bay of Bengal to intervene in India's fight for Bangladesh. Realizing the immense firepower the carrier grew, India requested the intervention of Russia, which dispatched its nuclear-powered submarines to trial the task force. It was only for the interference of the Soviets the day was saved for India. Soon India set up the Advanced Technology Vessels ATV project with the sole purpose of constructing nuclear-powered submarines which could carry nuclear-tipped ballistic missiles. The exact events pertaining to the project was shrouded in secrecy and not much is known about the vessels constructed under the program. The project was geared as a black project and was put under direct control of the PMO. The project is believed to be geared in the early 90s and was accelerated soon after India successfully completed Smiling Buddha. The major hurdle in realizing the project was miniaturizing the nuclear reactor for power into submarine. India's leading atomic research organization, the ARC, was put in charge of designing and fabricating a nuclear reactor to power the submarine. The ARC designed pressurized water reactor PWR using enriched uranium as fuel at its Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research Center at Kalpakkam. The reactor was capable of producing 83 megawatts of power and was labeled S1 and consisted of reactor control systems and the shielding tank. The reactor went critical on the 11th of November 2013. The state-owned shipyard HSL Vizag was put in charge of the project. The work on the submarine began at a fully enclosed dry dock at Visakhapatnam. At the heart of the sub was a 83 megawatts PWR reactor, and the sub itself was designed based on the Russian Akula-class submarine. Leading private industries were also extensively involved in the project, provided the hull. BEL and HEC was crucial in developing the reactor and shielding compartments. Tata Power pitched in with its high-end control systems. INS Arihant, the new vessel of the class INS Arihant, was launched on the 25th of July 2009 at Visakhapatnam, dedicating the submarine to the nation. PM openly acknowledged and lauded sustained Russian support for the program. The submarine then underwent an extensive fitting out process and by the late 2012 was then moved to docks for sustained harbour trials for system tests and validation. The submarine underwent repeated controlled submerged tests for high pressure tests. The submarine was repeatedly put through extensive tests to analyze its high pressure capabilities. The reactor of INS Arihant went critical on the 10th of August 2013 and was tested for operational levels in validation tests that lasted for almost a year. After completing its harbour trials, the submarine floated out of Visakhapatnam harbour on 13th December 2014 on its own power. The submarine has now entered its final phase of testing. The sub will now be tested to its maximum dive depth and will also fire the K-15 missiles. INS Arihant.